Hello there. In this video, we'll show you the two simplest ways for administrators to add students to a class on Selfomy One. With Selfomy One, you can either add students directly from the classroom page, or enroll them from the student profile page. Let's start with method 1, adding students from the classroom page. Step 1. Go to the classroom details page. From your admin account, navigate to the classroom section. Find the class you want, then click the eye icon to open its details page. Step 2. Open the Add Student window. On the top menu of the classroom page, select Students. Then click the Add Student button to open the Enrollment window. Step 3. Add Students. At this step, there are two possible cases. Case 1. If the student already has an account, simply enter their name, email, or phone number into the search bar. Then click Select next to the correct student. Case 2. If the student does not have an account yet, click the Create button. Fill in the required information, then click Save. The system will create a new account and automatically add the student to the class. Now, let's move on to method 2, adding students from the student page. Step 1. Go to the student profile page. Navigate to the Students section. Find the student, and click the eye icon. Step 2. Open the enrollment interface. On the student profile page, click on the General tab to access the enrollment section. Step 3. Enroll the student. Here, select the course and class you want to assign. Then enter the start date and expected end date, and click Register to complete the process. And that's it. You now know two simple ways to add students to a class on Selfomy One. We hope this helps you manage your center more effectively every day.